Sporting Club and Resort.
We have so much headed our way in terms of weather. It's going to be interesting and certainly not boring. Today we're going to do some clearing to sun, but it will become breezy and temperatures are going to be running about 5 degrees cooler than yesterday. Then we get to tomorrow. We're going to build in clouds as we go through the first part of the morning. And then the afternoon should see the onset of precipitation. It looks like Friday afternoon we'll see a mixed bag of precipitation with rain along the coast, and in the interior we'll likely see the development of some wintry precipitation. Now that storm system will leave, and behind it we're going to bring in some of the coldest air of the year as temperatures will be struggling to reach highs in the 20s, and overnight lows will likely be in the single digits. As we're overlooking the city, we're finding everyone up and at 'em this morning, getting going on the roadways. Already we're finding some congestion, but everything seems to be moving as we take a look outside. So current temps are warmer than average. Our average lows are actually in the 20s this time of year, and here we are at 40 in Providence. 37 is what we got in Smithfield. We have 40 in Westerly and 42 in New Bedford and Newport. Now our wind direction is different than yesterday. We were bringing in air from the south. Now we flipped it to become northwesterly as our front storm system is leaving. So as the front leaves, it's flipping that wind direction. Now we're going to start to pull in some cooler air from Canada. So temperatures again are going to be topping out about 5 degrees cooler than where we were yesterday. Up close you can find the precipitation leaving, and you can see the clouds melting away too. So by the time we get to sunup, which is at 7:18 this morning, you're going to be seeing a decent amount of it. Then we turn our attention to Friday. We are expecting an area of low pressure to basically fuse its energy with the development of a coastal storm, and that will onset precipitation as we go through the day on Friday. Likely beginning as rain along the south coast, and then as we mix in some colder air, we'll likely convert it over to frozen precipitation. Snow, we can say it. And then as we go to Saturday, we find the system leave. But it's going to be interesting because we're expecting inclement weather to time out with the late commute for tomorrow. So here's how it goes. As we go to tonight, we're going to build in clouds. Tomorrow morning, we should have mostly cloudy skies in place. We'll bring in some precipitation along the south coast as we hit the afternoon. Again, looking at rain with temperatures near 40. In the interior, though, temperatures will be at freezing, if not below, so any precip up there will be frozen, snow. Then we start to really aggressively pull in the colder air. At the same time, the heaviest of the rain will be moving through easternmost Massachusetts along the south coast. These are the areas where we will likely see at least some slushy minor accumulation. And then as we go to the nighttime hours, temperatures continue to drop, keeping the snow going in eastern Mass, and that will likely become our quote-unquote jackpot region for this event. Now, it's not going to be a significant event. The timing will make it very tricky because all this onsets during the time of the Friday late commute. Our potential for snowfall is between 1 and 3 inches in, again, easternmost Mass, the folks that get to snow quicker and stay there longer. So that's why we're looking at totals again in eastern Massachusetts, including Bristol County, Plymouth County, and even out by the Cape. So for today, we're going to clear out any early clouds. We should be sunny for most of it. It's going to be breezy with temperatures about 5 degrees cooler than yesterday. Behind that storm system, we are going to drop temperatures. So it looks like anything that we accumulate Friday into Saturday morning will be sticking around for some time, as lows will be struggling to reach 10 degrees on Monday morning with highs only in the 20s. Cara?